Yo, chat. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but Arc Raider's just been keeping me occupied. This game is straight fire. I had to. All right, time for a digital detox. To make it up to you guys, I'm taking you to my all-time favorite camping spot. The view is, well, you'll see. Oh, hey, look. Oh, there's some salmon running. Beautifully, man. Me and Biggie should come up here next year. You see that? That right there, that's the heartbeat of the forest. An ancient journey. Happens every year, no matter what. Powerful stuff. We're almost there. And we're here. Okay, time to make a fire. Look, Arc Raiders is cool and all, but this is the real high score. And also, please leave a heart on this video and share, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.